Camp Nou is evolving like never before. Today, we're taking you inside the stadium to witness the latest progress. From the sturdy structural updates to the sleek glass installations. Stairs, lamas, and the compression ring are all moving forward, shaping the stadium into a modern icon. If you want to stay up to date with all the latest news and updates from Barcelona, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's made especially for Barça fans. Now let's move on and see the latest progress at Camp Nou. Camp Nou is not slowing down. Multiple areas are advancing simultaneously, from the grandstand and diamond zone to stairs, pipelines, and utilities. This parallel progress demonstrates strong momentum and careful planning. The construction is coordinated, measured, and consistent, reflecting the project's commitment to maintaining pace while ensuring quality across the entire stadium. Over at the south goal corner, there's been a noticeable visual shift. Beams that were previously white now wear a sleek black finish. A few still display white markings awaiting their final coat. Platforms buzz with activity as crews focus on staircase frameworks and elevator support systems. Workers are methodically tightening fasteners and locking down the upper framework that will hold the glass panels. The staircase panel installation is moving at impressive speed, now covering nearly the full vertical span. In the diamond glass section, installation work pushes steadily ahead, introducing a sophisticated contemporary aesthetic to the venue. The interplay between glass, concrete, and steel creates a powerful architectural statement. With each new panel fitted into place, the design vision sharpens, offering an exciting preview of just how breathtaking the completed stadium will be. At the lateral corner, crews have started installing vibrant red lamas along the false ceiling. These new elements extend beyond the previously installed escuadra lamas, expanding the coverage area. Teams are actively positioning supports and securing anchor points to hold everything firmly in place. Platforms remain operational as preparations continue for the next wave of installation. Looking at the upper tribune, progress here is steady but significant. Crews are reinforcing the structural elements, preparing sections to support the next phases, and ensuring stability for the upper tiers. While the work may not be the most visually striking, it is critical for the stadium's overall safety and future construction. Each step here is carefully coordinated, showing that even the higher levels are moving forward without interruptions or delays. Work on the stairs core and access points is progressing steadily. These areas are essential for controlling crowd flow and ensuring safe movement throughout the stadium. As these structural elements take shape, the project moves beyond basic construction and closer to a fully functional venue designed to handle large matchday crowds efficiently. The compression ring is another key area where significant progress can be seen. This element is fundamental to the overall stability of the stadium and will play a vital role in supporting the future roof structure. Each completed section of the compression ring represents a major step forward in preparing Camp Nou for its next construction phase. The city of Barcelona is expected to approve occupancy for Phase 1C, opening the north goal sector for the upcoming match against Levante. This includes the animation stand, bringing more energy to the stadium. Fans will soon be able to enjoy this newly accessible area, marking another important milestone in the stadium's ongoing construction progress. Additional chrome tubes, lamas, and frames have been delivered and staged across various zones. Platforms, cranes, and workers are actively moving and installing materials. Work is progressing steadily in all active areas, with focus on lamas, compression ring pillars, and glass panel supports. This concludes today's update from Camp Nou. We expect more visible updates in the coming days. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for free, so you won't miss any of the latest Camp Nou progress. See you in the next video.